Yeah, that's right at, it's kind of tricky to find it, but it's right at the entrance, but
Please remember to stay seated. Keep arms and legs inside the car at all times, and do not stand up. You can thank me later.
Once your car has come to a complete stop, please raise your lap.
here. Yeah. I had a hard time finding
Once your
it.
car has come to a complete stop, please raise your lap bar and exit to the right. Please exit completely through the turnstile and have a great day here at Lagoon.